If I told people at the scene of the accident that I felt fine, but then I developed pain sometime later, can I still bring a personal injury case? A question I get a lot from people who've been involved in car accidents and then call us for legal advice. So the short answer is absolutely. I can kind of describe car accident cases and put them in a different category. There's some car accident cases where the cars are crushed and you're having to be cut out of the car and flown from the scene of the accident and life flighted to the hospital. Luckily, those are in the minority of the cases that happen. Most car accidents involve relatively minor or moderate collision. And in most of those cases, our clients don't suffer any broken bones at the scene of the accident or as a result of the accident. And in most of the cases, our clients tell us that immediately following the crash, they didn't feel any pain. The insurance adjusters know, the attorneys know, and the doctors know that that is very common. That the type of injuries that you suffer in a car accident are typically called soft tissue injury cases. Soft tissues, everything that isn't bone. When you're not breaking any bones, but you're stretching or tearing or pulling muscles, ligaments, and tendons, that's the definition of a sprain or strain of your soft tissue. And those injuries might not show up for at least a day and sometimes don't show up for 3 to 5 days after the accident. On countless occasions, I've received calls from our clients that say, hey, look, scene, I was fine, but when I woke up the next day, I couldn't get out of bed. To answer your question, if I didn't have any pain at the scene of the accident and I told the police officer I didn't have pain, or I told the other driver I didn't have pain, but I woke up the next day and had pain from the accident, can I still have a personal injury case? Absolutely. And what we will do for you is get you the proper medical care, whether that's a day or two after the accident going to urgent care or an emergency room, whether it's a week after the accident going to your primary doctor or an orthopedic doctor that specializes in injuries to your muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Then the next step of the process is this. We contact the other insurance company, inform them that you are injured, inform them that we represent you, inform your own insurance company of your injuries and our representation, and then help you through the process by making sure that your insurance company, through your no-fault insurance claim or your no-fault policy, which is also known as your PIP or PIP policy, which stands for Personal Injury Protection. We help guide you through that process. We help your medical bills get paid for, and then when the time is appropriate and we have all the medical opinions necessary to evaluate your case, we help make a settlement demand for you and make sure that the insurance companies involved pay you what they're supposed to pay for your injuries, your lost wages, your pain, your suffering, your mental anguish, your inconvenience, your loss of enjoyment to live your life like you used to before the accident happened. And we handle all that for our clients, even though they did not have any pain at the scene of the accident. So the short answer to the question is absolutely, you can still make a claim even if you did not have pain at the scene of the accident. I'm Mike Hancock with Hancock Injury Attorneys. We represent people who have been involved in car accidents in the Tampa Bay area and all throughout the state of Florida. If you have any questions about your personal injury claim, please give us a call. We are happy to give you a free consultation of your case and help you through the process.